CAT replica question. This is a CAT replica question. Many students say that this question is a very difficult question and it is a very time consuming question. To discuss this CAT replica question, I first discussed the basic question. Question is like this. Now you will understand how the CAT questions are developed. X square minus 11 factor y factorial equivalent to 2003. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take which will satisfy this question? X square minus 11 into y factorial equivalent to 2003. How many values xy will take such that it satisfies this question, right? Now see here, because you have listened to my class, let me solve it in my way. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. Every time when I am solving this question, what is important to me is the root cause of a problem. X square, it is a perfect square. X square, it is a perfect square. A perfect square will always be of the form either 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1. Very small property. Lot of teachers also underestimate this important property and waste a lot of time by discussing long methods. In case if you are a student looking for an optimized concepts, you will never find any better class than this class in the domain of aptitude. I can say it with a confidence of solving about 18 lakh questions and becoming the head of the department at the age of 25. A perfect square is always of the form 4x or 4x plus 1. Y factorial is always divisible by 4. Y greater than or equivalent to 4. Y factorial is always divisible by 4. Y greater than or equivalent to 4. Now, what is the another important key point? 2003. Because a perfect square is always of the form 4k or 4k plus 1. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. So it is nothing but 4 into 500 plus 3. I did not solve the question. How I will solve the question? First thing what I will do is I will read the question. I will pause solving. I will wait for 5 seconds and I will read the question. X square is a perfect square. So it should be of the form 4x or 4x plus 1. In the previous problem, we discussed that y factorial should be divisible by 4. Y greater than or equivalent to 4. 2003 is 4 into 500 plus 3. These are the three important key points which is required for me to solve this question. Now see here. Now let us go one by one. If I put y equivalent to 1, why? Because it is given x and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. Y is 1. X square minus 11 equivalent to 2003, which is nothing but x square equivalent to 2014. 2014. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. 4 into 3 plus 2. 4k plus 2 form will not arise. If y is 2, x square minus 22 equivalent to 2003. So x square equivalent to 2025. X square equivalent to 2025. 45 square is 2025. Y equivalent to 2, we got the answer. Y equivalent to 3. X square minus 11 into 3 factorial is 6. Equivalent to 2003. So these is nothing but x square equivalent to 2003 plus 66. 2069. 2069. 2069. Now see here, it is not a perfect square. Why it is not a perfect square? After 5 minutes I will discuss. What is the sum of the digits of this number? 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 it is 8. Any perfect square digital sum should be 1, 4, 7 or 9. This concept I will discuss within 5 minutes. Y equivalent to 4. These are nothing but x square minus 11 into 4 factorial equivalent to 2003. X square is of the form 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1 minus 4 into any number. It is 4 into x. Are you all with me? 4 into any number will be a multiple of 4. Any multiple of 4 is of the form 4x. D is divisible by 4, D is divisible by 4. Answer will be divisible by 4. 2003, it is not divisible by 4. Divisible by 4, divisible by 4. Remainder 1. 1003, it is not remainder 1. It is not possible. It is not only for y equivalent to 4. It is for any natural number greater than or equivalent to 4. So how many values we got? We got one value. And what is that value? What is that value? We got y equivalent to 2, which is nothing but 2025. Beautiful application of a perfect square logic. In any of the competitive examination that you are writing, he will not go beyond 6th class, 7th class, 8th class NCERT, CBSE basic foundation books. The problem seems complicated, but your foundations are strong. Then you can solve a complex question in the probably the very, very quickest of the time. I hope the idea is clear.